So if you open your Paws account, you discover that all your Paws are all gone. Wow. So now there's a new update in Paws that for you to regain your Paws back, you have to carry out about 5 tasks on your Paws. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. More importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel. Link in the description of this video. So if you come to your Paws account, you discover that what you have been able to accumulate in Paws are all gone. So now if you come here, so here you're going to see that you have to carry out these tasks. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 different tasks for you to be able to unlock it. So now when you come here, and the thing you need to do here, you have to tap here like 2 or 3 times, like one. So you can see this thing will come out, then here will be highlighted. So what you need to do here is to actually click on go. You can see only 500 people can click here. You can see it's already 280, so you have to go there and do that fast. So when you click on go, so here you have to post it on your storyline. So I'm going to post it. So once a 500,000 people are complete, this is going to be activated and here will be unlocked. So from the rumor I'm hearing, there may be possibility of asking for tax on stars and tons for payment in any of these tax. So you have to prepare your mind for any eventuality. So as we get more clarity, I'm going to be posting it in our Telegram channel. So do well to join our Telegram channel so that I'm getting updates as I find the link in the description of this video.